Hello kitty everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, I'm planning to make a cover for my luggage bag. So this luggage bag is so important to me. I bought this in Saudi Arabia when I was there, and just take a look at this. I love this one. This is so cute for me. This is the smallest one. I have 3 sizes of it. I like large, medium, and this is the smallest one. So I'm gonna make a cover for this to prevent from dust, and I'm gonna make a cover from an old jacket. So I have here an old jacket to make this one. This is an old jacket, and I'm gonna make this as a cover for my luggage bag. So guys, keep on watching, and I will gonna make a detailed cover for my luggage bag. So the tag is still here, just to remember the date of my flight. So I just leave it there so I can always remember my flight before. And the reason why I told you about the detailed cover of my luggage bag is to, this area must be open for this handle, this one, of course. Otherwise, if I close this one, how can I use the handle, right? And also I have the handle right here, this one, this here, this is a garterized handle, and this also must be open here, and also the bottom part, this bottom part, only this area must be like covered, and this one also must be open here, the 4 wheels of my luggage bag. Otherwise it will not work if I closed it. So guys, come join me. is already done. So my luggage bag has already a cover made from an old jacket. So thank you so much guys for watching my video, and thank you for all your support, and see you guys on my next vlog and my next upload. Thank you guys so much. Bye.